The robots are coming, but what does that really mean for us? It's not just about robots taking over, it's about a revolution in technology. The future is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. AI is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. AI is changing everything from the way we work to the way we live. It's in our homes, our cars, and even our pockets. Some people worry that robots will take all the jobs. But don't panic. This fear is understandable but often exaggerated. It's more complicated than that. While some jobs may be automated, AI also opens up new opportunities. AI will create new jobs too. Think about roles in AI development, maintenance, and oversight. And it can make existing jobs better. AI can handle repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on creative and strategic work. The key is to be prepared. We need to adapt and learn new skills to stay relevant. We need to understand how AI is changing the world of work. This understanding will help us navigate the transition smoothly. Then we can learn the skills we need to thrive in the AI age. Skills like data analysis, machine learning, and even emotional intelligence. This isn't science fiction, folks, it's happening right now. From healthcare to finance, AI is making a significant impact. Let's explore the exciting world of AI and its impact on our jobs and economy. Are you ready to embrace the future? The automation equation where AI shines. AI is really good at certain tasks. It can process information faster than any human. It can analyze huge amounts of data to find patterns. And it doesn't get tired or bored. This makes AI perfect for automating repetitive tasks. Think about factory work, data entry, or customer service calls. These are all jobs that AI can do more efficiently than humans. But AI isn't good at everything. It struggles with tasks that require creativity, empathy, or complex problem solving. These are the skills that will be most valuable in the AI age. Lights out on the factory floor, AI in manufacturing. Manufacturing is one industry that's already being transformed by AI. Robots are now commonplace on factory floors. They perform tasks like welding, painting, and assembly. This doesn't mean that all factory workers will be out of jobs, but it does mean that the skills they need are changing. Workers will need to be comfortable working alongside robots. They'll need to be able to operate and maintain complex machinery. The factories of the future will be highly automated, but they'll still need skilled humans to keep things running smoothly. From checkout lines to chatbots, AI in retail and customer service. The retail landscape is undergoing a significant transformation, driven by the integration of artificial intelligence. Have you noticed that there are fewer cashiers at the grocery store these days? This shift is not just a coincidence but a deliberate move towards efficiency and convenience. That's because AI is automating the checkout process. Advanced AI systems are now capable of scanning and processing items with remarkable speed and accuracy, reducing wait times and enhancing the overall shopping experience. Self-checkout kiosks and even cashierless stores are becoming increasingly common. These innovations allow customers to shop effortlessly, without the need for traditional checkout lines, making the shopping process faster and more convenient. AI is also changing the way we interact with businesses. From personalized shopping experiences to efficient customer service, AI is at the forefront of this evolution. Chatbots are now handling many customer service inquiries. These virtual assistants are available 24/7, providing instant responses to customer queries and ensuring that help is always at hand. These AI-powered assistants can answer questions, resolve issues, and even make product recommendations. By analyzing customer data and preferences, they can offer tailored suggestions that enhance the shopping experience. But don't worry, human interaction isn't going away entirely. While AI handles routine tasks, human representatives are still crucial for more complex and sensitive issues. There will always be a need for empathetic and knowledgeable customer service representatives. Their ability to understand and respond to human emotions is something AI cannot replicate. The difference is that they'll be supported by AI tools that help them do their jobs more effectively. These tools can provide valuable insights, streamline workflows, and free up time for representatives to focus on providing exceptional service. In conclusion, AI is revolutionizing the retail and customer service industries. By automating routine tasks and enhancing human capabilities, it is creating a more efficient, personalized, and enjoyable experience for both customers and employees. As we move forward, the collaboration between AI and human workers will continue to shape the future of retail, ensuring that we get the best of both worlds. Section 5, AI behind the wheel, the transportation transformation. Self-driving cars are no longer a futuristic fantasy. They're here, and they're only going to become more common in the coming years. AI is powering the development of autonomous vehicles. This technology has the potential to revolutionize transportation. It could make our roads safer and more efficient, but it will also have a significant impact on jobs. Millions of people around the world work as truck drivers, taxi drivers, and bus drivers. These jobs will be threatened as self-driving vehicles become more widespread. Section 6, the AI stethoscope, healthcare's high-tech future. AI is poised to revolutionize the healthcare industry. From diagnosing diseases to developing new treatments, AI is already making a difference in the lives of patients. AI-powered systems can analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs to detect abnormalities. They can also process vast amounts of patient data to identify patterns and predict health outcomes. This doesn't mean that doctors and nurses will be replaced by robots, but it does mean that they'll have access to powerful new tools that can help them provide better care. Section 7, Wall Street gets smarter AI in finance. The financial industry is another sector where AI is making a big impact. AI-powered algorithms are being used to make investment decisions, detect fraud, and assess risk. This is leading to increased efficiency and accuracy in the financial markets, but it's also creating challenges for workers in this field. Financial analysts and traders who rely on traditional methods may find themselves struggling to compete with AI-powered systems. Section 8, future-proof your career adapting to the AI age. As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, it's essential to understand how AI is reshaping our professional landscape. It's clear that AI is changing the world of work, but that doesn't mean we should be afraid of it. Instead of viewing AI as a threat, we should see it as a powerful tool that can enhance our capabilities and open up new opportunities. Instead, we need to embrace the opportunities that AI presents. By integrating AI into our workflows, we can achieve greater efficiency, accuracy, and innovation. The key to thriving in the AI age is to be adaptable and lifelong learners. This means continuously seeking out new knowledge and skills to stay ahead of the curve. We need to be willing to learn new skills and to adapt to changing job markets. The ability to pivot and evolve with technological advancements will be crucial for career longevity. So, how can you future-proof your career? It's not just about technical skills, it's about a holistic approach to personal and professional development. Here are a few tips. Embrace technology. Dive into the world of AI and other emerging technologies. Familiarize yourself with the tools and platforms that are becoming integral to your industry. Don't be afraid to learn new technologies. The more you understand about AI, the better equipped you'll be to leverage its potential in your career. Focus on your soft skills. While technical skills are important, soft skills like communication, teamwork, and emotional intelligence are equally vital. These skills will help you navigate the complexities of an AI-driven workplace. Develop your creativity, critical thinking, and communication skills. These abilities will enable you to think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions that AI alone cannot provide. Be a lifelong learner. Continuously update your skills and knowledge. Take advantage of online courses, workshops, and seminars to stay informed about the latest advancements in AI and other relevant fields. By doing so, you'll ensure that you remain competitive and relevant in an ever-evolving job market. Section 9. The upskilling imperative: investing in yourself. In the age of AI, investing in your education and training is more important than ever. Whether you're just starting out in your career or you're a seasoned professional, there are always new skills to learn. Consider taking courses, attending workshops, or pursuing certifications in areas like data science, artificial intelligence, or cloud computing. These are all in-demand skills that will be valuable in the years to come. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Section 10. Policy prescriptions. How governments can help. Governments have an important role to play in helping workers adapt to the changing job market. They can invest in education and training programs to help workers develop the skills they need for the jobs of the future. They can also provide support for workers who are displaced by automation. This could include things like unemployment benefits, job training assistance, and relocation assistance. By taking these steps, governments can help to ensure that everyone benefits from the AI revolution. Section 11. Riding the Wave, Embracing the AI Revolution. AI is a powerful technology that has the potential to transform our world for the better. It can create new jobs, improve our quality of life, and help us solve some of the world's most pressing problems. The key is to approach AI with a sense of optimism and a willingness to adapt. By embracing lifelong learning and focusing on our uniquely human skills, we can all thrive in the exciting new world of artificial intelligence. So let's ride the wave of the AI revolution together.